Hey there! Today I want to show you just how easy it is to get new tires for your vehicle without even leaving your house. With our mobile tire installation service, you can buy your tires online, schedule an appointment, and we'll come to you. It's that simple. Gone are the days of spending hours at a tire shop waiting for your turn. Now you have the convenience of browsing through a wide selection of tires from the comfort of your own home. No more dealing with pushy salespeople or feeling overwhelmed by all the options. Once you've found the perfect tires for your vehicle, simply add them to your cart and proceed to checkout. Our website is user-friendly and secure, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free purchasing experience. After you've completed your purchase, you'll be prompted to schedule an installation appointment. Choose a date and time that works best for you, and we'll take care of the rest. Our team of experienced technicians will come to your preferred location, whether it's your home or office, and professionally install your new tires. Not only do we save you time and effort, but we also provide top-notch service. Our technicians are trained to handle all types of vehicles, so you can trust that your tires will be installed correctly and efficiently. So why wait? Say goodbye to the inconvenience of traditional tire shopping and try our mobile tire installation service today. It's never been easier to get new tires for your vehicle. Buy online, schedule, and we'll come to you. Experience the convenience and simplicity of 360 Mobile Tires.